Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you two websites where you can actually earn more than $400 chatting with people and answering questions like expert. Okay, so for the first website, I will show you a trick on how to actually be an expert in a specific field, and the second one is quite straightforward and easy. Okay, right? So in case you are new to our channel and you want to see more of these videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos, because I'll be uploading more of these videos in the future. Okay, so initially, in case you've not watched any of our videos, to notice that for this video you actually watch 10 seconds video or more and then earn money. And then this is similar to what I'm about to share with you, earn money by what chatting with people. But these two specific websites are very, very distinct. That's why you need to stay with me till the end of the video. Okay. I'll try as much as possible to make this video as short as possible. Okay. So without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. So the first website is what Just Answer. Now, let me make this quick. Just Answer is a platform where you come here, you sign up as an expert in a specific field, and then you answer questions. Okay, so I'll explain how to become an expert in a specific field, but before I do that, let me just go through the website a little bit. Okay, so you can be a lawyer, doctor, vet, mechanic, electronic tech, computer tech, electrician, plumber, tax accountant, etc. Okay, now this is how this website works. So you can notice that for here you have different people with different professions. Okay, you have a doctor over here. Maybe I don't know the rest, but you could actually see their profession pair, their what looks. Okay, now this is how this works. Okay, you ask a question, they match you with an expert, and then expert chats with you. Okay, so this is how you come here. This is what you do when you come here. You come here as an expert, not someone who needs an answer. Okay, but in case you need an answer, you can also use this website. Okay, so with this is where you use what ChatGPT. Okay, this is where ChatGPT comes in. But you know, one thing you need to know is that once you try to be an expert, you have to re proofread your answer whenever you are trying to give an expert answer to someone who needs what help with specific field. Okay, so that's how this website works. Okay, it's straightforward, straight to the point. um we have an about us, how it works. You can come here, read about them, and then you go ahead, you sign up. Okay, again, you sign up as an expert, and then you leverage on ChatGPT to give expert answers. Now this is what happens depending on your category that you choose, and then your rating. You can notice that here they have ratings. Okay, this is an IT support engineer. He has a bachelor's degree in what information and all that. They have attorney at law, has a doctoral degree and all that. Okay, depend on your expertise. Okay, depend on your expertise, you choose a niche and then you become an expert um with that specific niche. Okay, so now let me show you the second website. I want to make this video as snappy as possible. Okay, so the rest will depend on you and the niche you would have to choose. Okay, and you sign up, you just go to the login, you go through the normal login process. It's very, very simple and straightforward. Now this is the second website. This is what testing what factory. Now for testing factory, you just have to start an application. Okay, you just start an application and then you start chatting with people. You work on your own terms, you work as a freelancer. Okay, you can just come here and just watch this short video, okay, to be abreast with what you'll be doing over here. But for here, it's just straightforward. You apply, you learn, and then you chat. So you apply right now, and we will contact you by email within 48 hours. That's 2 business days. Our coaches will answer all your questions. Now here you sign up as what an expert, not what someone who needs help. Okay, we offer we offer you an online training in which we show you the platform and prepare you for independent work from home. Okay, so they take you through a learning process, like a learning curve, and then after training you can work whenever you want. The platform is always open and the support team is at 24/7 disposal. Now check this one out. Okay, this is a job now. As a test chat operator, you'll be answering casual messages on a fantasy-based test network. Okay, you have to be able to talk to customers about all kinds of topics. So for the first one, for the just answer, you have to be an expert with a specific niche. Okay, or profession. But this is what general, okay? You'll be assigned different roles depending on what your customer wants, okay? Some of our clients just want to talk to someone about your everyday life, okay? So I've made a separate video on how to chat with people and earn $100 per day. You can watch that separate video right here, over here, okay? I talked about something of that sort, chatting with lonely people, okay? So let's proceed. Now, some of our clients just want to talk to someone about everyday life. Some talk about things like work, culture, weather, relationship. Yes, that's the same thing over here when you watch this video, okay? Right, so let's proceed. Now, your identity will not be known by customers because you'll be assumed to be the person the customer is testing to. Now, in case you don't know, there's something like customer service, okay, or customer care. Once you enter or log into a specific website, a specific pop-up appears over here where they just ask you, like, you need any help with whatever you are trying to find on that specific website. So this is what the testing factory is sometimes all about. Now, this is the juicy part, okay? Now, depending on how much time and effort you put in, an average operator earns around 300 to 400 USD per week, okay? This can also be a lot more if you are willing to go the extra mile. We supply bonuses when you write a lot of messages and extra extensions on weekends and red days. Okay, that's red days, meaning days where maybe there are lots of work, packed work, or days where people actually do not want to work and all that. Okay. Now, anonymous chat only. So your identity will not be known. No calling or video. So, your identity is hidden. You work anytime, anywhere, as much as you want. No qualification necessary. And then you have customer support for you as a worker for 24/7. So all you have to do when it comes to this website, you just apply, okay? Click on apply and apply now. I actually know people are actually using this website to make lots and lots of money, okay? So just combine this website with just answer and you'll be golden, okay? Provided you work diligently, okay? You start your application, your name, email, agree to the terms, and then you apply, okay? It's just straightforward. Again, make sure to watch this video. This is just a short introductory 42 seconds video and then you'll be good to go. Now, the advantage is you are your own boss, you have weekly wages, you work anywhere, anytime, and then you work either part-time or full-time. I would urge you to work, try to work part-time in case you are busy and full-time in case you are actually um a stay-at-home person, okay? You actually use your PC, okay, and laptop. You have to be actually good at speaking English. You must be at least 18 years old. You need reliable what internet connection, and then you'll be good to go. Okay. In case you have any questions, I will just leave them in the comment section. I will respond to them as soon as possible, and then I'll leave a link. Might leave a link to these two websites in the pinned comment or video description for you to reach this website as soon as possible. So I'll leave. Have a lovely day, and then I'll see you in our next video. Okay. Bye bye.